Caladium bicolor, also known as the heart of Jesus, has become increasingly popular and making it a desirable commodity in the market. It is also a plant of significance that contributes to the purification of indoor air by emitting moisture, thereby enhancing the freshness and healthiness of the environment. We, the researcher, aim to answer the question.
What is the relationship between environmental factors, soil pH, soil temperature, soil moisture, mineral content at temperature, and light intensity and the color changing ability of caladium bicolor?
My name is Natcha Siriwat.
My name is Sinchai Nukong.
My name is Natcha Siriwat.
This step was taken in conducting a study literature review study of environmental factor, experimental design and planning, data collection, data analysis, result presentations. We conducted an experiment with 18 caladium bicolor plants. 2 months old, we tested 6 combinations of variables, including water, energy drinks, lemon juice, and MSG. The plants were water raised twice a week, and the data was recorded once a day with a 1-day intervals in between. We measure soil pH, temperature, moisture, mineral content, air temperature, light intensity, and color changes using a color identification application. We then analyze the collected data from means ANOVA analysis of variance and correlations coefficients to determine the relationship between environmental factor and the color changing property of caladium bicolor.
This study was divided into 6 experiments that varies in terms of water and nutrient solution use. Experiment 1. Pouring a mixture of water and energy drink as a concentration of 10% into a glass with a volume of 500 ml. Experiment 2. Water was mixed with lemon juice as a concentration of 1% pH 1 and poured into a glass with a volume of 500 ml. Experiment 3. Pouring of a mixture of water, energy drink, and lemon juice as a concentration of 500 ml. Experiment 4. Spilling water semi-lubricant MSG as a concentration of 2% in a glass with a volume of 500 ml. Experiment 5. Watering with a volume of 500 ml of water, semi-lubricant MSG, and lemon. And experiment 6. Watering of 500 ml of water.
Table 1. Relative for humidity, temperature, and light intensity in the air. Average relative humidity at temperature and light intensity are significant indicators for comprehending the air conditions in the research locations.
The table displays the effect of different experimental conditions in the soil moisture and temperature. This report that watering the soil with 500 of water has the most significant impact. Watering with a mixture of water, lemon juice, and MSG has the least impact. This graph demonstrates that experiment 1 and experiment 3 has the most significant impact on the plant's color changing abilities. It also suggests a clear trend of increased darkness in the red coat of plant when watered with different types of solution compared to when watered with water alone. This RGB code indicates a decrease in the red color code of the caladium bicolor that were watered with different types of solution except for those Water with mixture of water and lemon and MSG, which show a stronger tendency toward darker red color.
Based on the graph, the results of the RGB codes suggest that the green color of the caladium bicolor tends to decrease when subjected to different waterings and experiment methods. In this graph, the RGB value of caladium bicolor show as decline in the blue color channel when subjected to various watering solutions, except from water with a mix of water, lemon, and MSG, which maintains a consistent levels of blue color.
This result showed that using 500 ml of water in watering the plants did not affect the number of leaves significantly. However, using the experimental solutions led to a reduction in the plant's number of leaves. Plants that were grown in various solutions, the results suggest that low level of nitrogen and phosphorus in the experimental solutions did not have a substantial impact on plant correlation. However, the plants that were altered with solutions having a potassium content and low soil pH products has this condition as a significant effect on the plant's correlations.
The table displays watering plant with 500 ml of water. This not affect the average number of leaves, while other solution tests result in a decrease in the number of leaves. Specifically, the group treated with lemon had a significantly. The results show the color changing capability and leaf count of caladium bicolor are significantly influenced by relative humidity with seed volume below 0.005. The analysis showed a significant positive correlation between red color changing and relative humidity in the soil and air. This occurrence of red color changing tends to increase with higher relative humidity. Evidently, humidity plays a significant role in the color changing ability of caladium bicolor. The study revealed that various environmental variables have a significant impact on the color changing ability of caladium bicolor. It also demonstrates that increasing soil moisture leads to a darker red coloration as evidenced by using 500 ml of water. Additionally, the experiment utilizing mixed water, lemon juice, and energy drink with a high potassium and low pH level demonstrate a darker red coloration, which indicate that this solution may be suitable for cultivating the plant. Consequently, watering with mixed water, lemon juice, and energy drink is the optimal approach for adapting to planting caladium bicolor, as it cultivates in environments suitable for plants' moisture requirement, high potassium level, and low soil pH level. This research on investigating a comprehensive study the factor influencing color change in caladium bicolor for enhanced cultivation and economic benefit in horticulture has several potential benefits to people and the economy, as it provides valuable guidance on the factors that impact the growth and color changing ability of caladium bicolor.
This plant can purify indoor air by releasing moisture which leads hunter and fresher environment, and this plant become in demand and popularity in may contribute to the growth economy by creating opportunity and boosting economic growth.